So, it's been a while. I left my garage the way it is without actually cleaning it up first to kind of give you guys an idea of what it currently looks like. I haven't really been able to work on anything in probably 3 weeks at least. During that time, toward the beginning of that time, I was finishing up the American flag, which is right here in the background. Check out the link. And I did a few other videos, but as I've said, I think in 1 or 2 of the other garage renovation videos, it always feels like I take 1 step forward and 2 steps back. So as you can see, there is a lot of stuff in here again. I have 3 goals in this video. 2 of them I want to try to accomplish today. First 2, I want to clean up this room, clean up the garage. And the second one would be to spackle both the left and right wall. I think I can do that. It's the goal. Third would be for tomorrow, hopefully, and that is to actually paint the 2 side walls. So, yeah. But before that, I want to give you guys some updates on what actually has been happening over the last 3 weeks. Roll the intro credit.
Yep.
I finished this. I did do this, but I've got so much wood, I bought a second one. I'm gonna install it right here. I also got a bunch of pallet wood. I'm gonna be turning that back wall into an accent wall using all this stuff, but this may not be enough, so check this out. I got a bunch of pallets, and now I have a bunch of firewood, which came from this guy. I also cut these 2 down. So now that all this firewood's here, I really need a place to put it. Could be a pretty good video. To think about that. So I think goal number 1 is to figure out what can go up in the attic and what can go down in the basement. So I got some stuff in here I can throw in the attic. Luckily, I am done with this wall. So the focus is on getting stuff off the floor and off these walls, getting them painted. We're gonna be in a good spot. What are we going through first?
We're doing this box right here. This big guy.
Oh, okay. Time to go through a box. All right. We're gonna have to go through a box. I have something on my head. Oof.
You might want to start over.
Oof. I was like, I could see something in my peripheral.
I don't know what it was.
What the heck? I'm gonna close this. This is in the way. Continuity.
Ooh, you just got something in my
Oh,
eye.
my bad. Or was it? Move some of this stuff out of the way so we can think.
It's my new hammock. I have no place to hang it because none of our trees are close enough.
Yeah.
But I got it for $15.
Can't beat a deal. You know, I have the lob one, so they probably can only hear so much of what you're saying.
I'm not saying anything.
It's all right. Everything you say is important to me.
Ew, Zach.
You what?
There's spider eggs. There's
Ew.
spider eggs. Oh my gosh, no. Nope.
You.
Dang it. You're gonna have to do something about that.
You.
Primed and ready to go.
Primed and ready to go. Got him.
Okay, kill the eggs. Kill the eggs.
Killing them. Killing them. Now this box is all nasty.
And this is why we use plastic bins.
Oh, that's obviously a cardboard bin, cardboard
know.
box.
I'm saying this is why we should be using plastic
All right.
bins.
Let's go through this guy.
See, the problem is we have beautiful stuff like this,
And nowhere to put it.
but we have not redone our twins room yet. So what do we do with this?
We could still hang it up in there and just call it a day. Unless
Doesn't
you want to
even
change the
match.
theme.
It's gonna look.
You want to just like change the theme?
No, but I want to
saying?
paint the room. The room is blue. It's too silly to hang something.
No.
This is my beautiful artwork
Something's behind it.
done when I took my mom to a paint night
Mm.
for Mother's Day. Look at that. Come on now.
What are those things called?
It's a paint night.
Another paint night, the two of us. Thank you very much.
This is our anniversary.
This one's mine. Well, obviously it has mine. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
So don't really like that frame.
Donation? It's like,
You can't donate pictures of your kids. It's weird.
I mean, you could.
No, you can't.
Donation? This is actually really nice.
Yeah, no, I bought this. I literally
you bought
bought this from an artist, from a local artist. Support your local artist.
Downtown Annapolis?
What do you want me to do with all this stuff?
I don't know. What are we doing?
That's why this box has been sitting.
Okay, so then all of this is going to go up in the attic.
Donation. I know you hated it so much.
Talk about a bad font. I mean, look at that.
They can't
It's
see.
horrible.
Donation.
Yes. When you take the photos out.
You bought this for me.
Okay, we'll keep it.
And it has a bunch of Christmas cards in it. Look at
Donation.
this.
Why did you keep that?
I keep everything.
Wow, that's the truth.
It's a box of treasures
The box, the
from our
chocolate.
pastor. Can you not blow dust on me?
I feel like all this just needs to go up in the attic. Look at this stuff.
See, even you get sentimental. From when we were potty training the twins.
Yeah, a little star potty chart thing.
One of them got to 2 papers, the other one did not.
We know who that one is, even though she's the one who's struggling the most right now. Trash. It's sentimental, but it's not. It's a P chart.
When you say it like that.
No, I'll throw this in the
You're not
trash.
gonna hold that up to the camera.
No, you guys only see this one.
This was our DIY paint night from when we were newly married and broke and couldn't afford a real paint night. Yes, we did.
Oh man, throwback. I think
Our
this is
first picture together.
first picture together. This frame is horrible.
You know what, Zach? You're rude. This photos from like 2009.
Yes, it is.
How long we've been together?
Why are you using this shirt? This is such a nice shirt.
Because we were gonna save the shirts anyway, so why not hack the shirts and keep the stuff
Oh,
safe?
true. Oh, true.
Engagement pictures.
Ooh, this is gonna be a good one. One of our souvenir glasses.
It's nut.
Oh,
This is nut.
that's boring.
It's from
One project I'd really like to do at some point is to build like a shelf to show all these off. How many would you say we have? A lot. I mean,
we probably have close to 20.
no. I feel like we have more. I feel like we have closer to 30.
No.
We've got a lot, so you are literally ruining the shot with that. Why isn't this inside? What are we doing with this? All right, so quick update. I've pretty much cleared off everything on this side, except for the freezer. So my goal now is to get the freezer and move it up to the front underneath my big Gladiator poster. But I moved a ton of stuff over here. So now there's a lot going on over here, but I got a decent amount of stuff up in the attic, which is great. So I think I'm gonna move the freezer, and then I have this one hanging thing I wanna get off the wall. And I think I'm gonna start spackling. I've been waiting a long time to do that. Pretty good, right? So it's time for spackle. I'm gonna do this wall first. Shouldn't actually be too bad. It's just these little holes and some other little holes, but the wall looks pretty good for the most part. And I'm to do this wall, and again, it's a lot of little holes and like one slightly larger area, but I mean, not too bad. So we should be able to get it done today. so you know, I'm not trying to get it perfect or anything. I think I'm gonna have to do a second coat, just like a light one, but there's just so many little dinks and whatever else. I'm gonna have to do this, sand it a little bit, and then do another coat, which is fine. I'm gonna try to finish the rest of this wall tonight, and then we have to go out, so that's gonna have to wait till later or another day or something. So do what you do when you can. So it's probably a little hard to tell right now, but this wall is now dry, all the mud. And I went ahead and sanded. You can see a bunch of white, dried up dust on the ground now, so I need to clean that up. But there's an issue before I start on this wall. Check this out. So there's nothing on this wall anymore, but it all kind of got moved over here. Some of this can't really leave the garage. This stuff is gonna be sold. I had to remember first. This is gonna be sold. This box is gonna be donation. So a lot of this is gonna be gone soon, but there's some other stuff. Essentially what I'm gonna do is take all this and stick it in the center so it's out of the way of each wall. And yeah, I'm going to spackle this wall, and then I'm gonna paint this one. If I can do that today, I'll be happy. But you know, life hits you, plans don't always stay the same. It's all good. Let's get to work. So everything was going great, but I was so focused that I didn't realize my camera was about to die. And as you saw, that last shot went black. Sorry, I didn't get the rest of the footage going this way. I will make sure to capture all of this. Now I already have cut in just around the walls and the floor, ceiling and the floor, whatnot. But we're gonna do the painting, get this done, and this project will be done. No more. For now. finally done. Finally done. Whew. So I think I finally finished all the painting. I didn't do around the garage door, and like the electrical panel and the internet and all that stuff I kind of left alone. So I might go back and paint one day, but for now I'm not too worried. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this all cleaned up and then have a little reveal for you guys. So